I'm going to show y'all the progress on my fall garden. I have Brussels sprouts, collards, mustards, turnip greens, kale, radishes. I notice my carrots are all coming up nicely. Fall flowers are blooming. Mums are doing great. My new favorite green, chard. I love chard. It's wonderful. This is the base of my future greenhouse, 8 by 10. And I hope to start on it next week. And my hat's off to my lovely wife, Beth. I was not happy with the way we had these strawberries. She replanted them and made her own strawberry patch. She even moved blocks, painted them. How about that? I think I'll keep her around for a while. Have a great day, everybody.